everyone, and welcome to another interesting episode of our podcast series. And today we have with us Sindhu Ravi, who is into the category of holiday bookings in BNI Amigos. So welcome.
Thank you, Radha. Thank you.
Yes. Why don't you tell our audience something about yourself?
So my name is Sindhu Ravi. I founded Beneath Travels in 2023. I have more than 8 years of experience and I have done more than 100 bookings.
Lovely. That's amazing. So good to have you with us today.
Thank you so much, Radha.
So I have some questions for you. What is the biggest mistake people make while planning a holiday that ends up costing them more money or ruining their experience?
Right. Whenever we look at hotels, we look online. But hotels online can be very misguiding. The reviews or the photographs. I have had clients who have gone to these hotels and then they have had negative reviews about it.
Okay.
So online cannot be trusted always.
Oh wow,
Yes.
That's a very good insight. Thank you. And can you share a memorable client success story where you helped create a dream vacation and exceeded their expectations?
So I have my client Dipanata, who's a flight attendant in Air India, and she always does her bookings through me.
Okay.
So she's always had a seamless holiday and an enjoyable holiday. So it started with Kashmir, then she went to Vietnam, then Darjeeling and Kerala.
Oh wow.
And my client Rajesh ji, he feels like not like a Pardesi in Pardes is what he says
So
when he was on tour with his wife in France.
okay.
So he said that our team was always connected with him and he had a great time.
That's
so
amazing.
these are my clients who I cherish.
Wow, that's amazing, Sindhu. So what are the top travel destinations people are choosing this year and why are they becoming so popular?
Okay, I think Indians are looking at Vietnam, Georgia, and Kazakhstan for the varied landscape, for culture and the cuisine.
Wow, even I'm motivated to go now.
Absolutely.
How can travelers save money on flights and hotels without compromising on the quality of their trip?
So finding a trusted and reliable travel consultant definitely saves up on a lot of clients' money and helps them have a seamless holiday without any issues.
Oh wow, that's good. Okay, how far in advance should someone book a holiday to get the best deals and availability?
I think 4 to 6 months is really good.
4 to 6 months?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So that they have a proper planning, the itinerary, the hotels, the flight deals, all are like, everybody knows flight tickets are so expensive these days.
Right,
so
right.
planning well in advance really helps.
Okay, that's a good advice. What travel trends are you seeing today that every traveler should know before planning their next vacation?
I think more and more travelers are looking at a quieter holiday. So they work and have a holiday together, vacations and staycations. So villa bookings are more popular, especially after COVID.
Okay.
And non-touristy destinations are what travelers are looking at more and more these days.
Right. What are some hidden gems or offbeat destinations that deserve more attention?
Well, there are a lot of hidden gems in our world. So some I can think of my mind is the Rainbow Mountains in Peru,
Okay.
Uyuni in Bolivia, the
Alright.
Diamond Beach in Iceland, and the Dolomites in Italy, Northern Lights in Russia, lavender fields in France, the Milford Sound in New Zealand, and last but not the least, Spiti Valley and Ladakh in India.
Lovely. These are such amazing destinations I haven't even heard of. Hearing it for the first time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So if a family has a limited budget, what are your top tips for planning an unforgettable holiday?
Okay, so there are holidays for various budgets. What you can do is avoid the vacation time and the peak season,
Okay.
so that you have fewer crowds and you get great deals on your holiday.
Oh, that's a good advice. I can do that next time. Okay. What essential travel documents, insurance or precautions do people often overlook before traveling?
Yeah, so people think that they don't need travel insurance, but that is not true. You definitely do need travel insurance. The other thing people overlook is, the validity on their passports.
Oh.
So before booking, the validity on the passport should definitely be checked.
Correct. Well said. So if you could give just one piece of advice to someone planning their next holiday, what it would be and why?
choose your destination and leave the rest to your travel consultant. That's me.
Oh wow. So do connect with Sindhu for your next holiday that you're planning. And one last question I have for you. So what kind of referral partners are you looking forward to connect to? How can members help you get referrals?
Forex, people who are into Forex and into ticketing are definitely good referral partners for me.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much for that amazing information, Sindhu. It was lovely having you with us today. So see you in our next episode. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.